we're going to dive deep into NumPy's random module. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate random numbers, arrays, and more using NumPy. Let's get started. First, let's cover the basics of the NumPy random module. Make sure you have NumPy installed. You can install it using this pip command. Start by importing the random module from NumPy using this command. Now we're going to generate random numbers between 0 and 1. np.random.rand generates a single random float in the range from 1 to 0. This is useful for tasks requiring random float generation. We can take it a step further. Here, we're creating arrays of random numbers with specified shapes. This generates a 3x2 array of random floats in the range of 1 to 0. Here, we're generating random integers within a specified range. This generates a 3x3 array of random integers between 1 inclusive and 10 exclusive. If you want to get even more fancy, you can generate numbers following a normal, a so-called Gaussian distribution. This generates an array of 5 random floats from the standard normal distribution. The mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. Now let's explore some advanced features. You can create your own custom distributions using numpy.random.generator. For example, you can do this. RNG uniform, low 0.0, high 1.1 and size 5 generates 5 random floats uniformly distributed between 1 and 0 using the generator API, which offers more flexibility and improved random number generation. You can select random elements from an array using this code. This selects 3 random elements from the provided array. You can shuffle the elements of an array in place. This command shuffles the array in place. Control random number generation with a seed. The same seed will produce the same random numbers every time this code is run. This is crucial for debugging and comparing results. By mastering these functions, you can handle a wide range of random number generation tasks. Experiment with these functions to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.